is right there. Right there. That's their house. Kalye. So that's their house.
Mahawit ko.
Okay.
Ilo. Lagyan ng ilo.
Ika po ang inahan. Baktas.
Kapay ko guys. Saka. Pagsaka na ho.
Makahubak. Di makig. Here's my pet too. Sit.
Oy, nagkuhan o, content o.
We are here.
Tapos ang sinina ka ba? O, puti kayo? Puti na, puti, pag-ilis. Ito man. Kare mo sa...
So we're already here. We're here. Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, guys, here I am in the place of Angeline, my bestie, my kumare. And then for today's video is we're planning to have a snack. So she buy our snacks today. Then we're going to steam this one, and this is called pork shumai. So this shumai is the best street foods here in the Philippines. And also this crouping, the shrimp crackers, and it is also called here a crouping. So we're going to fry this later. So that's all, and enjoy. And in addition, here's the limoncito, or the calamansi, or the lemon, and this is the soy sauce, and this is the sauce later for the shumai. So enjoy watching, guys. Thank you.
You know that I buy the 1 pack of shumai because when you buy in the what call banday ganun.
Mga street
Yeah, in the street vendors.
vendor.
It's kuan. Just like that, these 3 pieces,
20
20
pesos.
pesos. So it's not worth it. So that if you want to crave or want to eat shumai, you kuan na lang buy
Oh,
16 pieces.
1 kilogram.
1 kilo of
Kuan, shumai.
shumai in 1 pack. So you can kuan lang steam.
Ano din siya? So I'll check if the all water is kuan na.
Already boiled, so that ready to put the shumai in the steamer. I-direct diri day das plato. Di ka na magtubig.
Tubig ni siya.
So we need to
Diha ra.
ari na to. Aron dili init. Pila ka minutes ang shumai ikan.
Ang kapulitan na.
Da mga 20 luto na na ay.
Ito na.
So the ready to put the shumai.
Instruction.
And ibutang sa diri o sa basahon kay maglisod ti ako mabing. Gypsy. Sorry guys, sorry for the our own language. Dili pud gyud kuan sa nipis. So you have idea na guys, if you want to
damo na di ay no.
crave a shumai, you can buy na lang 1 pack. Because if you ako mo ito sa
Sulit kaayo.
Yes, so kuan.
Worth it.
Worth it and affordable.
Yes.
Because
very
this
worth
one is
it.
only 200. If you
200.
buy how many pieces in the vendor, you kuan.
Ibang tag 5 ang book, tag 10 ang
Yes.
book. Anak day.
This only one is 5 pesos when you buy in the vendor. You can read the cooking instruction.
Condition. Boil water and steamer.
Steam for about 3 to 5.
Kadali ready
50
ay.
minutes. Sige, you can set a timer. Okay, it's ready to put in the steamer and the firewood. You know guys, this is our stove here in the mountain. This is the native native stove.
Native.
Wait for about 5 minutes.
Magkuan na to.
Time is we're preparing for the sauce. I put lemon or calamansi in the small lemon. Sorry for the messy background guys, because I cannot clean pa.
It's normal.
It's normal.
It's normal.
So right now I am Angelica photographer. You know guys that our nickname is the same, Angie.
Angie.
She is Angelica and me is Angeline. That's why our nickname is Angie. The shortcut, the in short. You know?
The nickname is the same but different in full name.
Yes.
Kisa
Match.
itong kuanday
Insa.
kanang Filipina jackpot.
Sa Rose. One of nila YouTube channel but did not monetize. Kuan lang supporters ba? Because they have 7 cellphone.
How to be you at the Rose.
Shout out Ate Rosemary, the American man, Filipino wife. You know guys, she comment yesterday on my live that she want to eat cornaba. But
Kung napatoy Cornaba ila Ate Gian,
oh,
we can buy but sad
did
to
not
say,
wala. There's
she's
not
saying
yeah.
kuan banana yet kay marag wala pa
That's
sila
why na lang siomai. Sorry Ate Rose, if you watch this, you can crave the siomai.
Siomay and the cropik.
How's the timer?
3 minutes.
3 minutes left.
It's already 2 minutes 57.
If 1 minute na lang, okay. Ang toyo dahi. The soy sauce you can,
Siya
mix.
tigumon. Di siya
Pwede rin, di ba kay Ate Ana, kay Yaman i-mix niya din, iputang na. Yes. Da, kay, ilang langan. I-mix na lang, then, ito na lang ikuan niya. Much better dahil if mag-separate on bowl for the spicy.
Mag-spicy.
Yes, and then separate for the kids. One? One pa. I set the timer for the steam siomai. You know why that I steam the siomai not fry, because the steam so healthy. Not the fry is done frying is oily. Hi Shan, say hi. Hi guys. My son is waiting for the siomai because this one of his favorite.
Nangayo na siya.
Yung kuan kalamansi because kuan his favorite. Kato lang pinugaan ayun na. Ana.
Ano yung pinugaan?
Kaya na ng supsupon.
Mama Jude.
Collaboration with 2 YouTube content creator. Please support her channel guys because she is also starting. So
Just started.
making a content to upload.
Just a week. I
Yeah.
just started just a week.
In just a week.
Yes. Nagkaroon kasi mana, be. I think 3 weeks.
May na nakabutang dai kuan kano sa ka nag-start na sa YouTube.
Nag-start ko og create.
Oh yeah, created.
Na. Pero
But you upload kuan.
upload.
Okay.
This time we're going to add the
Soy sauce.
soy sauce, and the scissor is very sharp.
Kuan siya guys. Habul. You know that if you want a cut it, the dead is kuan
Alive.
alive.
The dead is alive again.
When you cut the scissor. You know that this is the perfect sauce for siomai. The
Suka day.
Ano suka kaya kalamansi?
No.
Sige, soy sauce pa. Slow mo na. Tama na. Then you separate for the kids. Then
Separate for the kids.
ay kuan.
Angeline is very expert. Everyone.
Oh. Okay, the kuan steam siomai it kuan already cooked. Unsa may tiam na tigil. Wag ko ko sa pag tinidor. We're going to try if already cooked or not.
First time na nag-create niya day.
Yeah. First time in my life steam siomai because you know that if and
The money
kuan creating siomai ay kuan lang ba for only with 20 pesos per aba. Oh, totoo na.
Luto niya day.
Oh, it's already cooked. It's already cooked. Yummy. Craving satisfy. Good. Ano na? Kaya ma-overcook. Craving satisfy. Lugay na ko ito mga naalong pang simana ko nag-crave. Jukuan, transfer it in the plate.
Nagkuan ang cam. Lights, camera, action.
Okay.
So,
Lami,
today guys,
Prituhin na nag-groupik. Meron na siya makaon.
we're going to put the spicy.
Kuan na, giun.
The sili.
Luto.
Oh, sige.
O kana mo isuwa kay suwa man anak.
Tanggalay ka panit. Basig di siya ganan sa panit.
Tanggalan na to palit na. Tiwalaw eh. Ha?
Arnie, mani. Angelica is put chili spicy on the sauce. That's why I separate one. This one for our kids. So that's our sauce.
Hang.
Yeah, spicy. That's good sauce.
Dili.
Kani ba chicharo?
Refreshing.
It's over. Eat your rice, guys. Okay.
Iya,
Ayun,